Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here. Thanks for stopping by and visiting my channel today and watching this video. Um, Please, if you get something out of the video today, um, would you go ahead and click the like button? Also, comment. Those things help me, and so I can help you by having more videos. If you're helping me by helping my channel to be seen more. So, if you get something out of it, click the like, make a comment. If you don't, that's okay. Um, and if you're not a subscriber to my channel, go ahead and do that too. You can click on that bell down there, and you can become a subscriber to all my wonderful info that I put out there. Um, so the topic of my video today is, do safe list and list exchanges really work? And you have half the people that will say safe lists and list exchanges are not worth your time. The other half say, hey, it works for me. So which category do I fall in? I fall into the, hey, it works for me category. Yes, they do work. No question about it. Now, if you're going to try to promote your opportunity, such as LiveGood or whatever opportunity you're promoting, directly to a safe list or to a traffic exchange, typically that's not going to work. I've gotten lots of signups through Safelists, lots of signups through traffic exchanges, but you have to do it the right way. Most of the people that are on these systems already have some product, already have some program they're already trying to get traffic for. That's why they're there. They want to get traffic. All right. So you have to be able to offer them a back door, basically, to your program. In other words, offer them something. What are they looking for? Traffic. Offer them something that can help them get traffic to their program. Use a capture page. Get them on your email list. Then, once they're on your email list, you can start promoting your program. That's how simple. It's just that simple. All right. And I'll give you an example. Let me go to the screen here. Here's a capture page that I built. Okay, called 60-minute profits. And look here. It says, discover the high-speed money-making strategies of the pros. And so it's a free book, 60 Minutes Profit. It's a free book. It doesn't cost them anything to check out this book. All right, then I go on to say, this free report reveals everything you need to know about making money in just 60 minutes or less. This is going to attract people on these traffic exchanges. It's going to attract people on the safe list. And I even have a little tab up here. This goes to my LiveGood business here, so I'm backdooring it that way also. But the main focus is to give them a freebie. All right? Not trying to sell them a program, but giving them a freebie. And because, again, let's face it, most people that are working on traffic exchanges are still trying to figure out how to make money online. All right? And they're clicking and they're reading these emails to get credits and all that kind of stuff. And that's a big problem with people, is because who has time to do all of those clicking to get credits? No, I don't. But I use traffic exchanges a lot. I honestly do. So, I mean, traffic exchanges are, where you look at somebody's webpage for so many seconds, and then they, once you do that, you get credits. So somebody else can look at your offer. Okay. And so if you spent all day long clicking, if you got time, go ahead. Some programs you can even upgrade where you don't have to do that. And most of the traffic exchanges that I'm active on, I've upgraded, so I don't have to be doing the clicking. But hey, it's fine. But if you really want to use traffic exchanges and safe lists effectively for your program, such as LiveGood, then you need to be promoting a lot. You got to get out in front of people. They're seeing offer after offer after offer after offer. They're seeing ads after ads after ads after ads. So you want first of all something that's going to catch their attention, something that stands out, okay, from the crowd, and you want to keep putting it in their eye. All right. Now, I have several of these. Look at these. These are different traffic exchanges you can promote to. Free advertising for you is really hot. I've gotten signups from them for sure. And really, all these are hot. They're all hot. All right. But again, you either got to upgrade or you got to click and da da da. But I have a treat for you today. I have an absolute treat for you, because in the link below, I have a URL that you can go to. You gotta get on my list though. You gotta get on my list. You can always unsubscribe though. But by doing so, I'm giving you promo codes where you can get 244 solo ads on 12 different traffic exchange websites. This is the 12 right here. Okay, so I'm giving you 400,000 advertising credits that you can use however you want to on these TE sites. I'm giving you 20 banner ads with 5,000 views each. I'm giving you 20 text ads with 5,000 views each. So in effect, what's happening here, my friends, is you can go ahead and be a part of these traffic exchanges, not worry about clicking all over the place. Use the promo codes I'm giving you to get free. This is all free. Okay, this is all free, no cost to you. Use the promo codes I'm giving you to get 244 solo ads to send out to these 12, to members of all these 12 sites. 400,000 advertising credits to use however you want to. Banner ads, text ads, okay? And again, you want to break it up. You want to use it in a way that draws people's attention to your freebie, whatever you're giving away, to your capture page. Then once they're on your email list, you can broadcast to them or have your automatic follow-ups on that. Now, I put this on a LeadsLeap campaign. So see where it says use LeadsLeap to import and duplicate this traffic funnel if you choose to do so. So if you want to do the same thing for your team, you can do the same thing. Give these promo codes away to your team by using LeadsLeap, making a funnel on LeadsLeap. Now, if you don't have LeadsLeap, I'll put a link below also for that, so that you can join LeadsLeap. And I even have instructions that are in the funnel on how to import the leads and how to customize to make sure that it's going to your links. So, yeah, do they work? They absolutely do. I've gotten signups after signups after signups through Traffic Exchange and Safelists through the years. So take advantage of what I'm offering you. You know, this is free stuff here, my friends. You don't have to pay for any of this. You don't have to upgrade. Just take advantage of it, and you'll have it there. Another place that I use is a place called Referral Frenzy. Now, Referral Frenzy is kind of a one-stop for promoting. And here, I can promote to multiple traffic exchanges by just submitting at this one site right here. Okay? So all of these places right here, all of these, look at that. I can promote from within Referral Frenzy. I don't have to go to each site and check my email and send out my promotion. I write the promotion here on Referral Frenzy, and then I send it out, and it goes to all of those sites that are there. And the cool thing is, you get so many credits to do that. Okay, it's not endless credits, but each month the credits will renew. All right, so you'll get more credits each month to send out more. You can send them out as a HTML email or just a plain text email. It's up to you how you do that. So again, but create your capture page. If you want to use this method and you don't have a capture page, you don't know how to set up a freebie or whatever, just get in touch with me. I will give you a share code so that you can have your own capture page with your own ebook, with your own freebie or whatever to do this. So yes, traffic exchanges do work. Safelists do work. You can get signups, but you got to do it backdoor wise, like I said. So hope you got something out of this video today, and check the links below. Like I said, I've got one for Referral Frenzy, one for LeadsLeap, and one for my my promo codes for the traffic exchanges. So everything's there for you. You just got to take advantage and take action. So you take care and have a foxtastic day, my friends.